Welcome this video introducing outdoor kitchen have become increasingly popular in recent years and for good reason. Then often are convinced and enjoyable a way to cook and then flush. However, outdoor kitchen requires cabin that can withstand the element and provide a pair storage for cook who explored easy outdoor kitchen cabin idea cabin and custom design benefit of outdoor kitchen cabin process for the elements outdoor kitchen cabin provide a soft and then space to stone cook process product theme for rain sun and explode temperament convince outdoor kitchen cabin keep cook within easy reach make its convince to process and cook mean outdoor style outdoor kitchen cabin can enhance the aesthetic appear for your outdoor kitchen provide a sleek and modern look. Easy outdoor kitchen cabin idea. Upcycle pouch cabin. Create outdoor kitchen cabin. Use upcycle pallet. Simple development The pallet add a waterproof roof and install door. Add album recycle wood cabin. Build outer kitchen cabin. Use reclaimed wood